The Purdue Breast Cancer Discovery Group at the Center for Cancer Research is holding a Breast Cancer Awareness Day that will be held October 7th. Professor Sophie Lelievre heads the Breast Cancer Discovery Group, and she joins us with details this afternoon. Doctor, thanks so much for coming in. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you for having me here.
Well, what's the background on the Breast Cancer Discovery Group?
It's a group that was started about a year ago. It's the new initiative at the Purdue Cancer Center. The new name now is the Center for Cancer Research, where we want to focus on special cancers and bring all the forces to work on these different cancers. So we started the Breast Cancer Discovery Group based on this initiative. And what is really exciting about this group is that it's bringing faculty members from all over the campus to work on specific aspects of detection, treatment, prevention. But not only the basic biologists like me, but also engineers, people from social sciences, communication ethics, because we want to take the problem, the scientific problem, from the beginning, from the basic aspect, all the way to the clinics. And everybody has to be involved. And we also interact with clinicians.
Interdisciplinary
yes,
research
totally,
then.
Yes.
What have you got scheduled for October 7th? There are two events.
Yes, so this is our first reaching out to the community, actually. We thought it was very important that people knew what we are doing at Purdue in terms of breast cancer research. So there are two events. One is at Purdue, and this is a major cancer researcher who is coming at Purdue, major breast cancer researcher, Mina Bissell, who has really changed the way that we look at the biology of cancer and of the mammary gland. So she's going to give a talk at noon on campus in Fendler Auditorium. It's open to everybody. And then later in the afternoon, in the evening, especially for the community, we wanted to show what is happening in Indiana. So we have asked three women to come and talk about what they are doing. And one will speak about the breast tissue bank that they are developing in Indianapolis, Dr. Suclair. And it is basically to tell people how important it is to look at normal tissue to understand what happens in breast cancer. So we need actually samples from normal breasts, and that's what she's going to speak about. And then there is somebody from the Breast Cancer Discovery Group, Dr. Megan McDonough, who is going to speak about physical activity and breast cancer, how important it is to have physical activity, not only before, if you don't have breast cancer, but also after the treatment, if you have had breast cancer. And she's going to, I think, speak about something very important for the community. And finally, we have somebody who is a breast cancer advocate, has been working with researchers nationally, but also now with us, Claudia Krugel, who will speak about the importance of interacting with researchers. And we have had this at the YWCA because this is, one of the best places for when it comes to things related to women. They do such great things.
And that takes place 6 to 8 p.m. on October 7th at the YWCA. Unfortunately, Dr. Lelievre, we're out of time. Thanks so much for coming in. I hope
it was my pleasure.
Good turnout on the 7th. Thanks
Thank you.
for coming in. Health Watch.